Welcome back. In this video, we're making steamed mussels. Into a frying pan over medium-high heat, a few tablespoons of oil, a quarter cup of yellow onion, season with salt and pepper, saute for 3 to 5 minutes, or until the onions are soft. Deglaze with a half cup of red cooking wine. Once the alcohol is cooked off, pour in a quarter cup of lemon juice, then add 1 large can, or 28 ounces, of good crushed tomatoes, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Bring up to a boil over high heat, reduce to low, add in 1 pound of whole mussels, and a half cup of mussel meats. Cover and simmer for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the mussels are heated through. Stir in 3 tablespoons of butter into a serving dish, pasta of your choice. I'm using linguine. Top it off with the mussels, and there we have it, steamed mussels. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.